Welcome to solverfy.
Hello students, the question asked is using random incorporation of adenine and cytosine bases in a 3A is to 1C ratio into a RNA polynucleotide for in vitro translation, what proportion of amino acids will be proline? As we know that the codons for proline are CCU, CCC, and CCA and CCG. These are the codons for the proline. Now, the next step will be to calculate the probability of each of these codons occurring in RNA polynucleotide. Since the ratio is 3A is to 1C, or we can say 3 is to 1 ratio, which means that the probability of A is 3 by 4 and C is 1 by 4. Another step will be to calculate the probability of proline codon. The first codon is CCU. So before that we must know A pairs with T or U because it is RNA polynucleotide, and G pairs with C. So the probability of codons will be C. Probability of C is 1/4 times another 1/4. So the probability of A is 3/4. So U is also 3/4, which makes it 3 by 64 probability of this codon. And coming to second codon CCC, it will be 1/4 is to 1/4 is to 1/4, which will be 1 by 64. Likewise for other codons. So likewise the probability of other codons is also given same manner. So finally we can add the probabilities of each proline codon to find out the overall proportion of proline in the RNA polynucleotide. So the proportion of proline will be, we will add the CCU plus CC plus CCA plus CCG, which will be equal to, as we know that, 3 by 64 plus 1 upon 64 plus 3 by 64 is 1 upon 64, and the probability, whole probability will be 8 by 64. So its minimum fraction will be 1 upon 8. So the proportion of amino acids will be, amino acid that will be proline is 1 by 8. So the proportion of amino acids which contain proline is 1 upon 8. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you.